Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to guide you guys how to fix WhatsApp chat lock feature not available on WhatsApp. In the recent update of WhatsApp, there's a new feature called chat lock. So first of all, you'll have to make sure your WhatsApp is updated. For that, go to your Play Store or App Store. After you load it to the home page, then you can see a search icon in the right lower corner. After that, in the search bar, you'll have to type in WhatsApp. After that, if your WhatsApp needs an update, then besides WhatsApp Messenger, you can see an update button. If instead of open update is written, then your WhatsApp needs an update. If your WhatsApp is already updated, do the following process. First of all, tap open WhatsApp. Chat feature is usually found after you tap open the chat and the profile icon. If you're not able to find it, I'll show you what to do. In the right lower corner of your chat list, you can see a settings icon. You'll have to tap on that. After tapping, you'll be on the settings page and you can see a help option as the second last option in your screen. Tap on it. After tapping, you can see the contact us option in the second option. You'll have to tap on it. After that, you will have to write about your problem and send to a WhatsApp support chat by typing the message and tap on next. Then you'll be redirected to a page something like this, and in the bottom of your screen you can see send my question to WhatsApp support option. You'll have to tap on it. Now you'll have to type about your problems and send to WhatsApp support, and they'll try to help you in every way possible. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.